Hey there, I'm Sarah from feedingyourfam.com, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of the most popular recipes on my website. This recipe is for spinach ricotta pasta. This is cheesy, creamy, delicious pasta that has a little bit of spinach in it. Don't worry, not too much. It's almost like a ravioli that has been turned inside out. It is so delicious, and I know your family's going to love it. Let's get to it. First up, let's get our pasta cooking. Okay, while our pasta is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and mix up the ricotta cheese mixture. So for that, we're just gonna combine in a bowl our 2 cups of ricotta cheese. Just get that right in there. I'm gonna give it a stir because I can still see a little bit of liquid on there. Okay, and then we're gonna add 3/4 cup of the mozzarella, our 2 cups of chopped spinach. Let's give that a stir. We have 1 egg. This will just help bind everything together when we add it into the pasta. And then we're just gonna season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Do you measure in pinches too? That's about a teaspoon of salt, or 2.5 pinches. And then I'm just gonna do 1 pinch of black pepper. You can always adjust this to your taste, however you would like. So about a 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And then just mix that all together. Then we'll just wait until our pasta is done. I've just drained the pasta, and then I just put it right back into the Dutch oven pan that I cooked the pasta in, because it can just go all right into the oven together. If you don't have a Dutch oven pan like this, you can spread this out into a greased 9x13" pan. That would work great. Okay, now we've got our cooked pasta. I'm gonna go ahead and mix together the pasta and the cheese mixture that we just mixed up with the ricotta, the mozzarella, and the spinach. Just all goes together in one bowl. Now just give that a stir. And here's the part where you're gonna use that pasta water. Sometimes this can get a little sticky, the pasta will stick together. So just take a little bit of that reserved pasta water, pour in just a little bit at a time, about a tablespoon at a time. Give it a stir, and you will feel that pasta loosen right up. Oh, you gotta love those sounds of stirring pasta. All right, that looks good. We've got everything all mixed together. And now, before we put that into the oven, I'm gonna add a little bit more mozzarella cheese right on top. Just give it a nice coating. I always think more cheese is better, but you know, you do it your way. And then I've also got a little bit of grated Parmesan, and we're gonna spread right on top of that mozzarella. Oh, this is gonna be good. Last step, let's get this into the oven that we've got set at 375 degrees. It's gonna bake for about 15 to 20 minutes until those cheeses are melted and golden and bubbly. Let's get to it. This spinach ricotta pasta is done and it smells so good. I can still hear that cheese bubbling. It is melty. I know it's gonna be delicious. I can't wait to dig in. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, please let me know how it turns out for you. If you haven't already, follow along and subscribe for more family-friendly recipes. I'll see you next time. That is so cheesy and so good.